Students in Hazleton celebrated Dr. Seuss's birthday a little differently this year. First graders at Heights Terrace Elementary performed songs with altered lyrics about reading to the beat of popular hits like Shake It Off and Uptown Funk. Nearly 50 special guest readers were in attendance, including Newswatch 16's Jeremy Lewan, who read Mr. Brown Can Moo, Can You? To Mrs. Schneider's kindergarten class here in Hazleton. It's a literary classic, that one.
Yes, and it was a lot of fun, Scott, spending time with them earlier today. They are very good at emulating animals. They do roosters well, they do cows well, bees. We had a great time today at Heights Terrace Elementary. I want to extend my deepest thanks to Beth Barletta for inviting me. She's a teacher there at Heights Terrace Elementary in Hazleton. And I also loved what they did this year with the performances on stage. That's the first time they did it. Normally they do a green eggs and ham session where the first graders watch the guest readers, but this time they decided to give the guest readers a performance for themselves, and they did a great job and really highlighted the importance of reading. And that's what this whole Read Across America week is about. So thank you again for the invitation. It was great spending time with you for the third year in a row. We'll make it 4 years next year. Let's talk about what we're experiencing right now, and that's cloud cover in on the way. Temperatures were pretty steady this morning, and that's because the cloud cover persisted. And then into the afternoon, the clouds broke. We broke into the 50s, and temperatures started dropping pretty steeply over the past 3 hours. They've stopped dropping, and that's because clouds have started filling in once again. So between 4 and 7, skies were still clear, so heat was escaping that accumulated at the surface out to space. And now that the clouds are back, it's keeping that warmth in. Now here's the difference. The clouds never left in central Pennsylvania, so temperatures never sparked up into the 50s. State College, how often do you see 10 degrees cooler than Mount Pocono? Mount Pocono got the sunshine, so you warmed up into the upper 40s. State College saw the clouds all day, and temperatures never got warmer than 39 degrees. We still got the clouds out in Pottsville. There's a live view at Schuylkill County with the fog starting to develop. This will be an issue for you tomorrow morning. In addition, you'll have the rain showers actively falling, especially further south. So intend on delays tomorrow morning. Luckily, temperatures are above the freezing mark, so we're not expecting any freezing rain tonight. That will be a different story for your day tomorrow, and evening tomorrow, I should say, and early morning hours on Friday. Could be some patches of freezing rain. The 42 is where we're at right now with east winds at 3. Visibility is down, especially further south and west. Schuylkill County has visibility less than 1 mile. Selinsgrove has visibility at 1 mile. Williamsport at 3 miles and Lehighton at 5. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 30s for northern Lycoming County. Susquehanna Valley seeing the low 40s, and here in northeastern Pennsylvania we kind of have a spread from the low 30s to the upper 30s. Shahola, the only one below the freezing mark, same for New Milford at 31 degrees. We've got cloud cover now overspreading the region ahead of the rain showers on the way. You can see that heavier band of rainfall in the yellow and orange. That's pretty much situated in the southern half of Pennsylvania, so I think the heaviest rainfall is going to happen in our southern tier and in the Susquehanna Valley, but we're all going to see rain showers tomorrow. Then we have another batch of rain directing your attention to Illinois and Missouri. That's going to roll its way in by the time we get to the evening hours. So we've got 2 different batches of rain here. And this high pressure system is going to play a very influential role in what kind of precipitation we get by the time we get to Friday morning. Now, high pressure systems spin clockwise, so it's going to funnel in some colder air from Canada, and this will be called a backdoor cold front, because normally cold fronts roll in from the west to the east, but this one's going to come in from the northeast to the southwest. So it drags in this colder air as this high pressure system pushes it in, and that would cause some temperatures below the freezing mark as we go into Friday morning. So here's how I see things as far as temperatures go. We're going to be about low 30s, upper 30s rather, low 40s Friday morning into the afternoon hours, Thursday morning into the afternoon hours. Then Thursday night, that colder air starts to seep in from northeast to southwest, and temperatures start dipping below the freezing mark overnight Thursday into Friday, and that's coinciding with rain showers, so we could see some freezing rain. Tonight, It's going to be rain showers, and remember, the heaviest is going to be down to the south, and this will be a problem for you on your morning commute. There's the timestamp, 6:30, 7 o'clock. We're going to be dealing with rain showers. A bit of a break from noon to 2. Then we get our next round of rain on and off. But notice how that pink starts to break out further spots north and east. That's freezing rain, and that could persist for several hours straight and then cause some icy glazes early Friday morning. Right now, I think this is overpronounced. I don't think we're going to get 3/10 of an inch of ice, but there is the potential for a few hundredths of an inch up to 2/10 of an inch of ice on those higher elevations. As far as rainfall amounts, as we go throughout the morning tomorrow, about 1/4 inch, and then into the afternoon hours and evening, we'll pick up another 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch or so. There's your 7-day forecast. We got rain showers on Saturday, Scott, but Sunday looks like a gem with temperatures near 60, no rain, and a sunset at 7 o'clock for the first time since October.
2 words for you, Jeremy. Golf clubs.
Oh yeah, they're going to be busy this upcoming week.
No doubt. Thank you.
Yep.